Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, the big story of the day was, who am I kidding? I don't have to tell you what the big story of the day was. You know what it is. NVDA was up 16% today. They actually added $271 billion to their value, to their market cap. Holy moly. I mean, that's over $250 billion in one single day. That's incredible. And that, of course, rocket shipped the S&P 500 up well over 2%, closing up. The Spiders, SPY, closed up $10.29 on the day. And the question, of course, is, will this and can this keep going? And boy, it sure does seem that the answer is yes. That's what everybody's saying. And hey, you can't fight the tape when people, when there's that much momentum behind it. It is really, really hard to stop. Now, that being said, what's next? Well, you know what's next? Probably follow through. Probably a whole bunch of follow through. Any numbers of the Fed are still kind of paling by comparison. And so we're just going to keep watching this play out until it burns itself out. And when it does, we'll be able to play the pullback, buy the dips, trade some volatility, and do all the other things that option traders can and love to do. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.